And once again, it's a pleasure to welcome Anil Kapoor. It's been almost a year exactly, and you're my lucky mascot. My first interview last year was you, and I had a fabulous year. And here we go again.
It's going to be better.
It's going to be a better year, that's right.
2014 is going to be the year.
Now, you spoke exceedingly well, as always, and talked about IIFA and how it's not just about an award function, it's about bridging gaps, making relationships, and you've had so many relationships through IIFA. How are you feeling about Tampa Bay?
I think, I don't know, my heart says it's going to be the best and the biggest. And, because, we Indians, we go with our instinct. I always say that it's not, there are so many things which go, we just instinctively take decisions, and with a warm hug or, you shake your hands. And, and the hugs and the handshakes which I've had with the people of Tampa Bay and the people behind Tampa Bay and people behind this entire collaboration, my heart says it's going to be the biggest, and the best,
And now you've had a very busy year. When I first spoke to you, we were just about to go into production for 24, and it has done exceedingly well. That must be a fantastic feeling.
Well, I think this is 24 is the best thing to really happen to my career and to my life. Professionally, of course, it's been something which is, I never imagined that this kind of reaction, this kind of, people have loved it. Everyone, the trade, the television industry, the film industry, my colleagues, the film fraternity, television fraternity, everybody has really, been really, really nice. And this is something which I never imagined. I knew it's going to be, going to be, people are going to like it, but not to this extent. So I'm very, very thrilled, excited, and very, very proud of what we have done.
Now that's action-packed. So how do you stay in shape and do all those action sequences?
So everyone's been asking me, because you see 24 is a very intense show, and it's very demanding. So for 24, of course, I had done a lot of training, to be honest with you, and I had to, really prepare myself to have a strong core and, strength for the long, hours of work, because we are shooting for more than 14 to 16 hours every day. And I think thanks to my trainers and thanks to people around me who really trained me to, be as fit as possible for the first season,
And what are we looking forward for the next season now?
Next season, I'm, because as soon as I go back to India, I think that's what I'm going to do now, start writing. It's get the team together and, we start writing for 24, the second season, and hopefully start shooting soon, and getting the team together and getting them all excited as they were excited for the first season, and even, trying to do it better than the first season.
It's very interesting what you were talking about, how you're wanting to launch 7 new faces, and you're hoping to find them in the US. Tell us a little bit about that.
No, they're not from, the faces are from India, they're from India, so, but we're shooting in US. Right. And hopefully if this happens, I'll be very, very happy. And I've put the proposal in front of the Tampa Bay, friends of mine in Tampa Bay who are behind this collaboration, and hopefully things should fall in place. Now
this is under your production banner, correct?
Yes.
And what else can we look forward to?
Well, at the moment we just wrapped up Khoobsurat, the adaptation of Khoobsurat, which was done by Hrishikesh Mukherjee. There's a Khoobsurat 2014 with Sonam in it, and we just, I think, 14th is the last day of my shoot, and 15th is the wrap party. So hopefully I should be back for the wrap party.
And now we believe your handsome son is getting into films.
Yes. He's been launched. His first film is called Mirza, and it's directed and produced by Rakesh Mehra.
Did you have any hand in him choosing which would be his debut film?
See, to be honest with you, with Sonam, Riya and Harsh, I think what I've done is my participation and my contribution to their careers and their lives is minuscule compared to what my wife, I should not take any credit. It's her who is the guiding force behind them. I just, my way of looking at things is giving them as much independence as possible, giving them the right kind of independence, and so that they make their own mistakes and learn from them. So that's what I do. Yeah.
Well, you're a very fine actor. And if you were to impart some guidance about acting, what does it take to be a good actor in your opinion?
I think to be a good human being is very paramount to be a good actor.
Well, we wish you continued success. And in closing, let's talk about IIFA once again. What are you going to be doing there?
whatever they ask me to do, I am an entertainer, and I am one of those actors and one of those. I'm a people's person, so I love making getting a smile on their face, making them laugh, smile, making them happy, interacting with them. So I'm available. Whatever they want me to do, I'll do it. If they want me to dance, I'll dance. If they want me to sing, I'll sing. If they want me to speak, anchor, anything, whatever they say, have a class, master class, whatever they want me to do.
Well, we look forward to seeing you there.